Wait, take shit apart with a pair of pliers.
But
That looks professional, though.
we're gonna build it with pliers, this whole thing. But I mean, we're really not professionals at anything we do. At least I don't claim to be. This is a good pulley setup. We need to save this. You might need it.
You got a place for a brake booster on them LS's?
Yeah, bud. Well, this is a race red.
You gotta have one right there. But
Yeah, this is race red. What'd you do?
I know everything here is quarter inch.
Could you keep grabbing quarter inches? Half inch right here, or 3/8. You got that same box. You don't even know how to use it because you don't ever use your box. That's the only reason everything's still in it.
Yeah, hell, I come back. Boxes that tell me where everything is.
Talk about your cranberry box. When you always hauling, I lost one adjustable wrench. I said the only reason you got all your tools is because you don't ever use them.
I don't ever use them.
Yeah, your ratchet, see?
No, you really don't ever use them because y'all been down there and I can't find them. Okay. Now, roll loose.
We're gonna put a cam in that motor. We're just gonna put it in there top.
What
The 5.3.
Did we put it in here?
Yeah,
I don't know, I just want to get it in here.
I agree. Just put a cam.
I don't think it needs a cam in. You got a cam sitting here?
Yeah, man.
Really?
Put a toolbox out there. You wanna see it?
Okay, we need to pull all the plugs, put the scissors right of it.
What's your thoughts on it, ours?
She just wants to go on, but Nick's coming.
Brian, we're talking about the car, the Jeep.
Don't make our camera crew mad.
Don't make it about family.
Talking about the Jeep right
Take
now.
that hot wire right there loose, because we don't need that anymore.
We'll have to turn it to a reality show then.
Yeah, he'll probably be better off.
I mean, people like that shit. Everybody loves some good drama.
We got all the plugs loose from this side. Power steering got to come loose. Gotta have to, you ain't got no light in there.
I keep a good light on the floor.
You can probably go to the other side. I'm pulling plugs and mess loose. That way the distributor can come on out of it.
They don't want you
You
getting
really don't have to pull the distributor out.
He wants a front view.
He won't pull it.
You want to have a front view all the
I
time.
don't really care. I just want to get it out of here so she can get to doing what she wants to do, so she ain't mad at me.
I don't. The camera crew don't
Okay,
get,
the camera crew again,
don't get
okay.
mad. The camera crew does not get mad, ever.
My old lady, the old ladies get mad about it.
Nah.
Yeah, mine does. Yours does too. That's probably why you out here in the shop.
Oh, they don't never get mad, but.
No.
Lie.
Yeah, we got it like that.